My lords, it is my proud privilege in getting this opportunity to conduct this proceeding with the kind permission of the chair on this special and momentous occasion of bidding farewell to Honorable My Lord Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu, who is going to adorn the chair of Honorable the Chief Justice of the Patna High Court. My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, may I now have your Lordship's kind permission to commence the proceedings?
Yes.
May I now humbly request Honorable the Chief Justice to kindly deliver the address. My Lord, please.
When the notification comes, it just reminded me a very famous line from a poem written by William Black, Auguries of Innocence, that the joy and woe are woven fine. It's really a time to rejoice that my brother is going to adorn the position of a Chief Justice of Patna High Court. Simultaneously, it gives me a woo moment that we will be physically parting away, definitely not from our heart or a soul. It's really a matter of pride for all of us that one of my brother is going to hold such a high position as a Chief Justice of Patna High Court. On behalf of myself and on behalf of my brother judges, I wish him all the success and keep the flag of the Odisha High Court fly high. And we expect and hope that he will definitely keep the same. The traditions has a values and inculcated in everybody's. He's a man who really preserved those traditions and practiced in his entire career. He was a very good lawyer, successful lawyer at the bar, doing the criminal matters. And he had been a lot of support to me, both in the judicial and the administrative side. When I entrusted him that there are a lot of matters, the criminal appeals which are pending for a pretty long time, without any hesitation, not even a moment he took, he volunteers that give it to me, I will definitely do justice. So this is what Justice Sahu is to all of us. And once again, I congratulate you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you, my Lord. May I now humbly request Lord and Advocate General to deliver the address.
My Lord Chief Justice, My Lord Justice S.K. Sahu, the Chief Justice Designate of High Court, Patna High Court, my esteemed Lords, Deputy Solicitor General of India, Mr. Padhi, President of the High Court Bar Association, Mr. Mishra, Chairman of the State Bar Council, Mr. Dwivedi, Secretary, Vice President, Office Bearers of the High Court Bar Association, Government Advocate, my colleagues in the state panel, esteemed senior advocates and distinguished members of the bar, members of the registry. It's a mixed reaction, Your Lordship is perfectly right. It's a combination of both joy and sorrow. We have assembled here to bid farewell, not exactly in the strict sense it's a farewell, but it's a moment to rejoice. Everyone, each one of us, if we go to the practical aspect of life, is ambitious and has to be. It is not in any selfish terms, but when someone judges that side, the aspiration which is natural and obvious to adore the seat of the highest judiciary, either as a Chief Justice of a High Court or as a Judge of the Supreme Court or as the CJI of the country. So let me first, at the outset, on behalf of my government, my law officers, and as a leader of the bar, congratulate Honorable Mr. Justice S.K. Sahu for being appointed as the Chief Justice of Patna High Court. My lord, let me be very clear on two aspects. When I joined bar in 91, Justice Sahu had joined 2 years earlier. In 89, technically I am elder to him by 2 months. I was born on 23rd of April 1964, though technically my age is 8 months younger in the high school certificate. So his lordship was born in June, on 5th of June 1964. I am 2 years elder to him. But he was so handsome. When I joined in the bar, I thought that he is younger to me by 2-3 years. So I was calling him by the first name Sangam. Subsequently, I realized after so many years, when his lordship was elevated to the bench, that he was senior to me in both profession as well as in age. But technically, since I was 65 in the high school certificate examination, so I corrected myself. 2-3 aspects which have fascinated me both in the bar and in the bench. As a glorious member of the bar, Justice Sahu had always maintained cool while presenting a case before the bench. So I used to address him outside as a cool judge. And your lordship knows that unless a judge is cool, the decision at times becomes rough. So whatever may be the merit and brilliance of a person, so the typical coolness which he has been mentioning as a member of the bar and as a member of the bench is really unparalleled. I have hardly seen his lordship losing temper, either as a lawyer or as a judge. There is a saying in Subhasitani, Udeti Shavita Tamra, Stamra eva stameti cha, Shampatto cha vipatto cha, Mahatam Ekarupata. So a person who is great, both in heart and outside, he maintains cool like the setting sun and the rising sun. So I do not want to make a lengthy speech making on this occasion. I, on behalf of my government, express gratitude to the Collegium of the Supreme Court, especially the Honorable Chief Justice of India. His Lordship visited Orissa, and 2-3 days thereafter, this proposal was mooted. Orissa, which was unrepresented in other high courts in the post of Chief Justice for almost 1.5 years, that came to materialize. So it's a day which is a glorious day for each one of us. We do not have any remorse. Rather, we rejoice the day and wish His Lordship a glorious tenure in Patna, which is our parent High Court. So congratulations again to His Lordship, Honorable Justice Sahu.
Thank you, sir. May I now request the Deputy Solicitor General to deliver the address.
Harish Tandon, our Honorable Chief Justice of Orissa High Court, Justice Sangam Sahu, Honorable Judge and going to be elevated as a Chief Justice of Patna High Court, for whom we are gathered here, companion judges, Sri Pitambar Acharya, Learned Advocate General, Sri Manoj Mishra, President, High Court Bar Association, Sri Sitangshu Dwivedi, Honorable Chairman, State Bar Council, Vice President, Secretary, and other office bearers of the High Court Bar Association, and Registrar General and Registry of the Odisha High Court, the Learned law officers of the central government and state, and senior advocates, other friends assembled here. Today we are assembled Honorable Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu, who is leaving Orissa High Court, to assume the high office of the Chief Justice of Patna High Court. This is a moment of pride for the court as well as the bar. He was born in 64 and educated from the Cuttack. Thereafter, he elevated as a judge of this High Court. He is also actively participated in public litigation matters as a judge, as a local personnel in the Cuttack. Apart from this, he also involved himself in cultural programs. That's why in many occasions I told Kolara Pujari. And the infrastructure in Cuttack, thereby the positively imparting the lives of ordinary citizens. Such initiative reflects His Lordship's deep concern for public welfare and good governance. As the Executive Chairman of the State Bar Legal Service Authority, Lordship has worked tirelessly to promote access to justice, particularly for weaker sections of the society. His Lordship as a Chief Justice of the Patna High Court is a well-deserved recognition of the judicial ability and integrity. On behalf of myself and the Central Government Councils respecting the Union of India, I express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu for his valuable contribution to the Honorable Court. We wish His Lordship's great success in his new role and are confident that we will be continue to serve in the institution and the nation of the and discussion. Wish you the Lordship's found farewell and very success in the Jai Jagan.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Learned President, Orissa High Court Bar Association to deliver the address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Chief Justice of Orissa High Court, Honorable Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu, Chief Justice Designate Patna High Court and presently Judge of our High Court, Honorable Judges, Pitambar Acharya, Learned Advocate General, Learned Government Advocate, Sitan Suman Dwivedi, Learned Chairman of the Orissa State Bar Council, Mr. Prasanna Kumar Pari, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, Learned Law Officers of the Advocate General's Office and Office of the Deputy Solicitor General, Registrar General and Officers of the Registry, Vice President, Secretary and other office bearers of the High Court Bar Association, Learned Senior Advocates and Learned members of the Bar. I cannot cut short like Advocate General because I have to say many things about my Lord Justice Sahu. On behalf of High Court Bar Association, Orissa, on my own behalf, as its President, I consider it a singular honor and matter of profound pride to address this August full bench reference convened on the momentous occasion of the elevation of Honorable Chief Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu as the Chief Justice of the High Court of Judicature of Patna. This is a proud day for the Orissa High Court, an institution that has time and again contributed jurists of exceptional caliber to the highest echelons of Indian judiciary. The elevation of His Lordship as the Chief Justice of a historic High Court is not merely a personal milestone, it is a recognition of our High Court's merit. Allow me to first extend my heartfelt congratulations to Honorable Chief Justice Designate Chief Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu. May His Lordship be blessed with robust health, long life, and every success while shouldering this exalted constitutional responsibility in the service of justice. His Lordship's elevation marks a defining moment, for it signifies a renewed recognition of the Orissa High Court's institutional contribution to the national judiciary. It is a matter of deep pride to note that His Lordship is the fourth judge to be elevated to the Patna High Court. Before His Lordship, Justice G.V. Patnaik, who ultimately retired as Chief Justice of India, had led the Patna High Court, followed by Justice P.K. Mishra and Justice Deepak Mishra, who was also elevated later as the Chief Justice of India. The Patna High Court being one of the oldest and most distinguished legacy, the legacy High Courts in the country, and also parent High Court, which carries with his rich constitutional and judicial heritage and elevation of a judge from our institution to lead such a court is far more than individual honor. It is a collective institutional moment, one that reflects the maturity, credibility, and judicial capital of the Orissa High Court itself. That one of our own has been entrusted with the stewardship of a legacy High Court underscores the confidence reposed in the institution's values, traditions, and standards of judicial excellence and marks a significant chapter in the shared constitutional journey of both the courts. His Lordship carries forward a distinguished legacy with grace and quiet dignity. He is the worthy son of late Sri Sharad Sahu, an eminent and established criminal lawyer who was a household name across the length and breadth of Odisha. Despite his towering professional success, late Sri Sharad Sahu was known above all for his simplicity, humility, unwavering ethical compass, qualities that left a lasting imprint on the bar. His Lordship, my Lord Justice Sahu, has inherited not only his father's exceptional legal acumen, but also his simplicity of manner and clarity of purpose. As my learned advocate rightly said, Mr. Cool, my honorable judge, the coolest judge we have ever seen. Over the years, the Lordship has emerged as the doyen of both the bar and bench, commanding respect for his scholarship and advocacy as a lawyer, and administration for his fairness, restraint, and depth as a judge, thus standing as a worthy successor to a worthy father in every sense of the term. His Lordship's jurisprudence in economic offence and NDPS Act reflects on uncompromising commitment to the rule of law and social interest. The Lordship has delivered many judgments on these economic offences and NDPS Act. His Lordship's judicial legacy is illuminated by a series of landmark pronouncements that underscore his unwavering commitment to constitutional values, procedural fairness, and rule of law. I would like to highlight a few of His Lordship's notable rulings. In Devashish Samantraya versus Muhammad Mokim, His Lordship boldly upheld electoral purity by setting aside the election of a returned candidate on account of non-compliance with the mandatory requirements of the Representation of People Act and suppression of criminal antecedents, reaffirming that democracy legitimacy cannot be founded on procedural illegality or incomplete disclosure. In case of the state versus Prakash Behera, while setting aside the death sentence and acquitting the accused, His Lordship's view reflects his humane and balanced approach to sentencing, stressing the indispensable duty of the courts to consider mitigating circumstances and to afford convicts a meaningful opportunity to be had before the sentence is imposed. In case of Sahibas Bisoi versus State of Orissa, where he reaffirmed that his conviction must rest on a clearly framed and distinct charges, reminding courts that procedural safeguards are not technicalities, but the very bedrock of criminal justice. Collectively, these judgments exemplify Justice S.K. jurisprudence from yet fair, principled, yet compassionate, and deeply anchored in constitutional constraints. They delivered many judgments, but due to shortage of time, I am not able to say other judgments also. But moreover, while presiding over public litigation, His Lordship's bench was marked by a rare balance of constitutional sensitivity and judicial restraint. His Lordship Justice S.K. Sahu, sitting with my Lord Justice S.B. Narsingh through a series of impactful orders in public litigations, has left an inedible imprint on the civic and social fabric in the city of Cuttack. His Lordship's intervention addressing the long-standing infrastructural deficiencies of SC Medical College and Hospital and other primary hospitals of Cuttack, which ensured improvement in public healthcare delivery. The directions issued for enhancement of cleanliness and sanitation in Cuttack and other major infrastructure of the city reflected a deep concern for public health and urban dignity and quality of life of its residents. And as the President, being member of the Advocate Committee, I have experienced in the last 9 months how much improvement is because it has been made by virtue of the Lordship's orders, repeated orders, and monitoring the situation. Equally significant were His Lordship's measures to streamline the discipline, the immersion process during festivals, including curbs on DJs and excessive noise. thereby balancing religious practices with environmental protection, public order, and citizen safety. It has come to notice also that because of the high volume of the sound in DJ sound, more persons have also died. And His Lordship's direction to stop DJ and also to limit the sound limit has really helped the citizens like anything. The vision extended further to promoting organized urban health, encouraging structured civil spaces, livelihood. For these far-reaching initiatives, the common people of the Cuttack remain deeply indebted to His Lordship, whose PIL jurisprudence translated constitutional ideals into tangible improvements in everyday urban life. His Lordship's judicial journey stands as a testament to an intellectual rigor, quite erudition, and deep-rooted sense of justice from his years at the bar to his distinguished tenure on the bench of this court. The Lordship was consistently exemplified the finest traditions of the judiciary: fairness without fear or favor, firmness tempered with compassion, and scholarship anchored in constitutional values. I must mention that members of the bar have always found in Justice Sahu a judge who listened with patience, decided with clarity, and wrote with precision. His Lordship's judgments reflect not only mastery of law but also a keen sensitivity to facts, social realities, and human consequences of judicial decisions. Whether in criminal jurisprudence, constitutional matters, or questioning or touching civil liberties, His Lordship's pronouncements have enriched the legal landscape and strengthened public faith in the justice delivery system. Besides the fact that His Lordship was an outstanding judge and an excellent person also, he was an avid music lover and a very good singer. Probably most of the honorable judges must have heard his song. He was also an excellent cricketer. He has a lot of interest in sports activities. So, during what is particularly endeared His Lordship to the bar is the profound respect he always accorded to advocates. His Lordship has been a judge who believed that bench and the bar are equal partners in the administration of justice. His court was a space of rigorous legal discourse where arguments were tested, not truncated, and where young members of the bar felt encouraged. During his tenure, His Lordship has disposed of 43,716 cases while sitting in division bench, 9,298 cases in single bench, taking ground total of an extraordinary 53,014 matters. These figures are not mere statistics. They represent the thousands of litigants whose disputes were resolved with clarity, fairness, and judicial application of mind. Such sustained productivity achieved without compromising on the quality of reasoning or depth of adjudication underscores His Lordship's discipline, efficiency, unwavering commitment to reducing dependency while upholding the highest standard of judicial decision making. As His Lordship assumes his exalted office of the Chief Justice of Patna High Court, we are confident that His Lordship will bring to that court the same qualities that have distinguished his tenure here: judicial independence, administrative acumen, and an unflinching commitment to constitutional morality. While the High Court of Orissa and with the advocates will deeply miss His Lordship's presence on this bench, we take solace on the knowledge that His Lordship's elevation as a matter of national judicial interest. His success and distinction will continue to reflect the strength and stature of this court. On this solemn and celebratory occasion, High Court Bar Association places on record its heartfelt congratulations to His Lordship. We wish His Lordship a tenure as Chief Justice marked by wisdom, institutional harmony, and enduring contributions to the cause of justice. It is my sincere prayer that His Lordship will continue to scale greater heights, guided always by the Constitution, strengthened by conscience, and inspired by the noble oath, and he has so faithfully upheld. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Honorable Sri Justice Sangam Kumar Sahu to kindly deliver the address.
स्मृति तो कदापि नुहे फिंगी बार पारिले फिंगी से लभंता निस्तार विच्छेद मिलन सोदर समान एक पासे थाए आन अभिन्न अंतर विवाद तांकर विचित्र विधि विधान समागम काल अटे सुखर समय विदाय लोतक आहा कि विषादमय। शुभ अपराह्न, नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ। आपण मान नववर्ष 2026 हार्दिक शुभकामना जनाऊँ। सम्मान्य मुख्य विचारपति श्रीयुक्त हरीश टंडन महोदय, उपस्थित अन्य समस्त विचारपति वृंद, श्रीयुक्त पीताम्बर आचार्य, सम्माननीय महाअधिवक्ता महोदय, श्रीयुक्त प्रसन्न कुमार पारी, डेप्यूटी सॉलिसिटर जनरल महोदय, श्रीयुक्त सीतांशु मोहन द्विवेदी, ओडिशा राज्य बार काउंसिल रो अध्यक्ष महोदय, ओडिशा उच्च न्यायालय बार एसोसिएशन रो सभापति श्रीयुक्त मनोज कुमार मिश्र, उपसभापति श्रीयुक्त सिद्धार्थ दास, संपादक श्रीयुक्त अभिजीत पट्टनायक और अन्य समस्त कर्मकर्तागण, समस्त वरिष्ठ आईनजीवी तथा अन्यान्य आईनजीवी बंधुगण, रजिस्ट्रार जनरल श्रीमती भाग्यलक्ष्मी रथ महोदया, रजिस्ट्री अन्य समस्त अधिकारीगण, ओडिशा राज्य आईन सेवा प्राधिकरण सदस्य सचिव, ओडिशा जुडिशियल एकाडेमी निर्देशक और अन्य ऑफिसर वृंद, गणमाध्यम प्रिय बंधुगण, आभासी व्यवस्था माध्यम रे विदायकालीन सभारे जोग देइथिबा समस्त विचार विभागीय ऑफिसर, मोर आत्मीय एवं शुभेच्छुगण, समय आसीची आपण समस्त अवसर प्राप्त सर्वोच्च न्यायालय एवं आम उच्च न्यायालय अवसर प्राप्त विचारपति माने जो माने कि मते आंतरिक स्नेह श्रद्धा प्रदान करिसंती, अनुप्राणित करिसंती, मार्गदर्शन करिसंती, से समस्त को धन्यवाद देवा पाए। आजिर दिन रे जहा किछि सफलता भी मु हासिल करिछि, ए सबु प्रभु जगन्नाथंकर आशीर्वाद, मोर पितामाता गुरुजनकर आशीर्वाद और मोर परिवार पूर्ण सहयोग जोगु ही संभव हो पारिछि। मोर पिता स्वर्गत शरतचंद्र साहूंकर सुनाम, व्यक्तित्व, नीति, आदर्श, मुकदमा परिचालना करिवार दक्षता ही मते आईन व्यवसाय प्रति आकृष्ट करिथिला। मोर माँ मोहिनी साहू, बड़ बापा बसंत कुमार साहू, बड़ माँ लक्ष्मीप्रिया साहू, मोर सहधर्मिणी गीतांजलि साहू, पुओ स्वस्तिक साहू मते पूर्ण समर्थन देइचंती। मोर पियुषा स्वर्गत गोविंद चंद्र साहू, जे कि इंजीनियरिंग इन चीफ हिसाब रे अवसर ग्रहण करथिले, मामू प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर कामिन मोहन बैसाख मते बहुत अनुप्राणित करछंती। एई बेउसारे जोग देवा परे मु आम चैम्बर सहित अन्य दुईटी चैम्बर रे मध्य संश्लिष्ट थिलु। जणे हेले मोर पितांकर गुरु स्वर्गत प्रफुल्ल कुमार धड़ एडवोकेट, अन्य जणे मोर पितांकर घनिष्ठ बंधु स्वर्गत डॉक्टर मनोरंजन पंडा एडवोकेट। यही तीन जन सुपरिचित आईनजीवी अधीन रे काम करिवार सुजोग मो पाई भगवत आशीर्वाद सदृश थिला। जणे जूनियर को विभिन्न अदालत रे एते संख्या रे केस परिचालना करिवार अवसर मिलिबा किछि कम बड़ कथा नुहे। कौनसी केस को किपरि प्रस्तुत करा जीवो, जुक्ति उपस्थापना करिया पई किपरि लिखित टिप्पणी एवं विभिन्न नजीर प्रस्तुत करा जीवो, ताकु किपरि अपर पक्ष वकीलंकर जुक्ति को नजर रे रखी मान्यवर विचारपतिंकर मन छुईला भली उपस्थापना करा जीवो। ये सबु किछि मते प्रथमे प्रथमे से तीन आईनजीवी पाखरु शिखा को मिलता। सेमानक व्यतीत अन्य वरिष्ठ आईनजीवी मानक केस परिचालना करिवार कौशल को लक्ष्य करी तांको सहित वार्तालाप करी बहुत किछि शिखिछि। मन पड़ जाउछि मोर कोर्ट रे आसी जोग देवार पूर्व दिन संध्यार अनुभूति। चैम्बर रे बसताए बाबांकर आई यूज्ड टू कॉल माय फादर बाबा। तापर दिन गोटे सेशंस ट्रायल ले करिवा पाई कटक बाहर को जीवार थिला। चैम्बर छाड़िवा पूर्व मते कहले कालीठी तोर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ आरंभ हो। तोर परिचय वर्तमान शरद साहू को पुओ हिसाब रे रहिबो। मु किंतु सेई दिन खुशी हेबी जो दिन मते लोक संगम साहूर बापा हिसाब रे चिन्हिबे। से कथा भी कही तोर बाबा ए प्रोफेशन रे बहुत परिश्रम करी बहुत किछि त्याग करी सुनाम अर्जन करिसेंती। मोर आशा और विश्वास तु एमती किछि करिबु नाही जोंथिरे मोर सुनाम प्रति मोर परिवार रो सुनाम प्रति आंच आसीबो। बाबांकर सेई दिनर सेई सबु कथा को पाथेय करी मु जीवन रे अनेक घात प्रतिघात भितरे आगु को जीवा को चेष्टा करिछि। आपण मानकर शुभेच्छा मो प्रति रहिछि। आशा करुछि आगु को मध्य रहिबो। आम उच्च न्यायालय कहतु जिला अदालत सब कहतु एथिरे बहुत दक्ष आईनजीवी माने रहिछंती। समाने केवल आम राज्य रे नुहे राज्य बाहर एपरिकी सुप्रीम कोर्ट रे विभिन्न मुकदमा परिचालना करी बेस सुनाम अर्जन करछंती। जणे जणे आईनजीवी तो कौनसी एक निर्दिष्ट मुकदमा परिचालना करिबारे एते पारंगम जे सेमानकु केवल आईनजीवी नुहंती एपरिकी विचारपति माने मध्य अनेक किछि शिखि थांती। निजर पिला माने परिवार लोक माने ए प्रोफेशन रे थिले भी जूनियर मानकु निजर पिला भाभी पाठ शिखाइबा केस परिचालना करिबा को सुजोग देबा तांकु मार्गदर्शन करी समानकर उन्नति साधन करिबा द्वारा गुरु शिष्य परंपरार आदर्श बजाय रहिता है। आम ओडिशा रे सेई परंपरा अक्षुण्ण रहिछि। आईनजीवी हिसाब रे सरकार को तरफ विभिन्न गुरुत्वपूर्ण फौजदारी मुकदमा परिचालना करिबा पाई मते नियोजित करा जायतिला। सेहीपरि आम उच्च न्यायालय रे अनेक केस रे अमायिक स्क्यूरी हिसाब रे मध्य मते नियुक्ति करा जायतिला जाको परिचालना करी मते बहुत आनंद मिली। एक निर्दिष्ट लीगल जर्नल रो एडिटर हिसाब रे शह शह जजमेंट को पढ़ी तार हेड नोटिंग करी प्रस्तुत करिबा सीआरपीसी रो विभिन्न सेक्शन उपरे धारावाहिक भाव रे एडिटोरियल लिखिबा द्वारा तथा नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी ओडिशा कटक रे क्लास सब नेबा द्वारा बहुत किछि ज्ञान आहरण करिछि। संतोष भी मिली। जणे विचारपति हिसाब रे अनेक गुरुत्वपूर्ण मुकदमा विचार करी राय प्रदान करिवार सुजोग मिली। एथिपाई दक्ष आईनजीवी मानकर बलिष्ठ जुक्ति और सहायता भूली हेब नाही। सबुठारु विशेष तृप्ति देइछि कटक सहरर नागरिक मानकर विभिन्न मौलिक समस्यार समाधान पाई मान्यवर मुख्य विचारपति निर्देश रे गठित स्वतंत्र बेंच परिचालना करी एथिरे मान्यवर विचारपति सान भाई श्रीयुक्त भी नरसिंह महोदय मोर बेंच रो सहयोगी हिसाब रे प्रशंसनीय योगदान करिसेंती। एससीबी मेडिकल कॉलेज शिशु भवन सिटी हॉस्पिटल विभिन्न समस्या बॉक्स ड्रेन निर्माण वर्षा जोगु सृष्टि होतिबा जलबंदी समस्या अलिया आवर्जना जमा हेबा द्वारा प्रदूषण जनित समस्या तालदंडा केनाल उन्नतीकरण दुर्गा पूजा एवं बाली यात्रा को श्रृंखलित भाव में परिचालना करिया पाई निर्देश श्मशान रे मौलिक सुविधार अभावगत समस्या ट्रैफिक लाइट और सीसी कैमेरा को विभिन्न स्थान रे लगाइबा रास्ताघाट मरामती एहीपरि अनेक किछि विषय को एही खंडपीठर आदेश बଳରେ सुधारिबाकू प्रचेष्टा कर जाइथिला। एडवोकेट कमिटीर पूर्ण सहयोग और सरकारଙ୍କର विभिन्न विभागर पूर्ण सहयोग एवं विभिन्न आदेश को कार्य करिबा पई जिला प्रशासनर तुरंत पदक्षेप नेबा आम दुई जन विचारपति को साहस और शक्ति जोगाई देइथिला। मानव सेवा ही माधव सेवा यही महान वाणी को आमे उपलब्धि करिछु। अन्य विचारपति मानक सहित विभिन्न समय डिविजन बेंच रे बसी मोकदमा फैसला करिवार सुजोग मिलिछि, सेमानकर सहयोग मिलिछि, सेथिपाई से समस्त को मु धन्यवाद दउछि। विभिन्न जिलार एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जज हिसाब रे कार्य करिवार सुजोग मिलिछि। विभिन्न कमिटीर सदस्य चेयरमैन हिसाब रे कार्य करी अनेक किछि शिखिबार सुजोग मिलिछि। बिल्डिंग कमिटी लाइब्रेरी कमिटीर चेयरमैन ओडिशा स्टेट लीगल सर्विसेस अथॉरिटीर एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन हिसाब रे तथा हाई कोर्ट लीगल सर्विसेस अथॉरिटीर एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन हिसाब रे कार्य करी बहुत खुशी मिलिछि। विचारपति अवधि भितरे दुई तीनिटी को छाड़ी देले प्राय समस्त लोक अदालत रे काम करी जो आनंद मिलिछि ताहा भाषा रे वर्णना करिबा संभव नुहे। आजिर एही अवसर रे आपण मानकु अनुरोध करिबी कि 2 मास को थरे हेउथिबा लोक अदालत रे मीडिएशन रे संपूर्ण सहयोग करंतु। सुप्रीम कोर्ट रो मुख्य विचारपति सूर्यकांत महोदय गत किछि दिन तले कटक रे एक कार्यक्रम को जोग देबा को आसी मासर किछि शनिवार रे कोर्ट करिवा पई प्रस्ताव रखिचंती। आशा करूची आम हाई कोर्ट रे यह तुरंत कार्यकारी हेबो एवं एथिरे आपण मानकर संपूर्ण सहयोग मिलिबो। आम ओडिया झियो माने ओजेएस परीक्षा रे जेपरि सफलता प्राप्ति करूचंती एवं आम उच्च न्यायालय रे युव आईनजीवी मानकर निष्ठापरता देखि विशेष खुशी लागुची। समाने निश्चय भविष्यतर कर्णधार साजिबे, जीवन रे सफल हेबे एवं ओडिशार विचार विभागर सुनाम और गौरव को रक्षा करिवे बोली मोर आशा और विश्वास। युव आईनजीवी मानक अनुरोध करिबी प्रथम से माने अर्थ पछरे न जाई प्रोफेशन प्रति संपूर्ण ध्यान केंद्रीभूत करंतु। हजार हजार वकील प्रोफेशन रे थिले भी उपरे सबु बेले जागा सुरक्षित थाए। जणे सत् पथरे गले, कठिन परिश्रम कले, समयर सदुपयोग कले, धैर्य रखिले और ईश्वरंक उपरे संपूर्ण विश्वास रखिले सेई जगार पहुंची पारिबो। रेजिस्ट्रीर विभिन्न समय जो विचार विभागीय ऑफिसर माने कार्य करिसेंती तथा उच्च न्यायालयर समस्त स्टाफ विभिन्न समय भिन्न भिन्न कार्य रे संपूर्ण भावे सहयोग करिसेंती। एथिपाई मु से समस्त को आंतरिक धन्यवाद दूची। मोर उच्च न्यायालय रे विचारपति भाव रे 11 वर्ष 6 मास धरी कार्य करिवा भितरे मोर प्राइवेट सेक्रेटरी भाव रे देवेंद्र नारायण पंडा, प्रमोद कुमार साहू एवं प्रभाकर नायक, स्टेनो हिसाब रे अजित कुमार दत्त, कविता रानी माझी, शिशिर कुमार सेठी, सुकांत कुमार बेहेरा, रविंद्र कुमार मिश्र, सिपुन कुमार बेहेरा, राजेश कुमार बढ़ई, कोर्ट मास्टर हिसाब रे सुरेश चंद्र माझी, विष्णु प्रसाद पति, पीएसओ सेवा रे संजय सामंतराय, सुशांत सामल, प्रकाश बराड़, जमादार हिसाब रे शंकर राउत, लक्ष्मीधर हजारी, कोर्ट पियन विश्वजीत दीक्षित, संखाली नायक, ड्राइवर सुशांत मल्लिक, अरुण कुमार महाराणा, रेसिडेंशियल स्टाफ कुक कम केयरटेकर भावरे छवि विश्वाल, बनमाली साहू, गोविंद रथ, पियन अमर साहू, जलधर साहू, पिंटू गौड़, रघु नायक, श्रीधर नायक तथा सिक्यूरिटी गार्ड बाईधर दास, पवित्र पल्लई, ललित बेहेरा अनेक किछि साहाय्य करिसेंती। सेमानंकु धन्यवाद देवा सहित सेमानंकर और सेमानंकर परिवार रो मंगल कामना करुछि। ओडिशार मान सम्मान आदर्श और गारिमा को पाथेय करी नूतन भावरे न्यस्त करा जाइथिबा दायित्व को तुलाइबा पाई जाउछि। आशीर्वाद करंतु, प्रार्थना करंतु मु एहाकु जेपरि सुचारू रूपे संपादन करे। शेषरे ती कहिबी एई समय भितरे यदि मोर किछि कथा ବା ବ୍ୟବହାର କାହା ମନରେ କିଛି ଦୁଃଖ ଦେଇଥାଏ, ଆଘାତ ପହଞ୍ଚାଇଥାଏ, ମୋତେ କ୍ଷମା କରିଦେବେ, ତାକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯିବାକୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ। ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆଜି ଛାଡ଼ି ଯାଉଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣମାନେ ସବୁବେଳେ ମୋ ହୃଦୟରେ ରହିବେ। ପୁଣି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ପାଖକୁ ଫେରି ଆସିବି ବୋଲି आशा विश्वास रखी। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। कल खेल में हम हो ना हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। भूलोगे तुम भूलोगे वो, पर हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा। धन्यवाद। वंदे उत्कल जननी। जय हिंद।
Obliged, my lord. May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceeding concluded?
Yes.
The proceedings are hereby declared as concluded. Thank you.